If you want to sculpt a cat in Blender, here's a quick and easy method for creating the base mesh. First of all, collect a lot of reference and make sure you find a good side view. Plop it into Blender and trace the silhouette of the cat by extruding a plane. Make sure you have separate objects for the body, tail, legs, and you can use a sphere for the head. Add a solidify modifier, set the offset to 0 so that the thickness extrudes from the middle. Add a subdiv modifier as well after the solidify modifier with 1 level of subdivision. Copy the modifiers to the other flat parts and hold Alt so you can adjust the thickness on all of them at once. Move the legs to the side and add a mirror modifier to them with an empty as the mirror object. If necessary, you can still extrude some more of the flat geometry in edit mode. For the ears, again use some flat geometry with a solidify modifier. You can add a subdiv modifier before and after the solidify to protect the shape more. To create a nice gradient of thickness for the ear, add a vertex group with decreasing values to the solidify modifier. In the next video, we'll look at making it look more like a cat and less like a dog, and we'll look at how to sculpt a cat using this base mesh. To learn more about sculpting and other methods of creating base meshes for sculpting, check out my book with over 2000 pages of Blender tips.